English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 49.
In the experiment, water is heated until it boils.
The water is not stirred in this experiment. A thermometer is suspended above the water. After 2 minutes, the temperature is taken. The results are recorded on the chart.
Water is heated until it boils.
The water is frozen to make ice to use in the experiment. The liquid is heated for several minutes until it starts to boil. The plant cells are observed using a state-of-the-art microscope. Static electricity is generated when you rub a balloon against your hair. The chemicals are added slowly to the water to start the reaction. The temperature of the salt water is taken using a thermometer. 2 beakers are filled almost to the top with a mixture of oil and water.
The liquid is heated for 10 minutes. The liquid is not removed from the heat. The liquid is left to cool in a glass jar. Crystals are observed forming in the jar. The size of the crystals is measured. Oil is not poured into the water. The water is boiled to make steam. Salt is dissolved in the water. The oil and water are not mixed together. The results of the experiment are recorded.
The temperature of the water is recorded every 5 minutes. The water is removed from the heat once it has boiled. The chemicals are poured into a test tube to start the reaction. When the substance is mixed with water, it changes color. The reaction between the chemicals and the water is observed. The mixture is cooled for approximately 1 hour until it sets. The water is stirred for 5 minutes until all the salt dissolves. The two substances are placed in a test tube together. The results are estimated before the experiment takes place.
Hi, Jasmine. How was your chemistry lecture?
Really interesting. We learned about density.
That sounds complicated.
Actually, the professor demonstrated it really well. First, he explained that some substances are more dense than others. And then we did an experiment. Look, you fill 2/3 of a plastic bottle with water. After that, a few drops of blue food colouring are added. Next, you fill the rest of the bottle with cooking oil. The oil floats on the water. When the bottle is tilted from side to side, the water moves just like a wave.
Why?
Oil is less dense than water, so the two substances can't mix.
Wow, I had no idea.
End of lesson 49.